Bonjour tout le monde. Salut. In this session, we are going to learn the very basic, that is French alphabets. And when we say alphabet in French is l'alphabet. How you pronounce? L'alphabet. So the first alphabet, as you have in English, is A. Second is B. The third is C. And all the alphabets are the same. No. So what is the difference? The difference is the pronunciation. The alphabets are all the same as you have in English, same in French. The only difference is the pronunciation. So we will do the pronunciation in this session for all the alphabets. Let's look at step by step. So A, let's pronounce, let's repeat after me. A as in A in English. In French it is A. How you pronounce? A. The second is B, right? How you pronounce? B. Then C, for C, the pronunciation is say. So how it is? A, B, C, D, E. So E in French is E. Remember, E. So repeat. A, B, C, D, E, F. Yes, F is same. F is same. So A, B, C, D, E, F, J, H. Yes, so G is J. Remember, G is not G. So G is J and J is G. This is how it is. So the French G is J and J is G. This is how it is. So let's repeat after me. A, B, C, D, E, F, J, H. So H is H, and now comes the I, but the pronunciation is E. What is the pronunciation of I? The English alphabet I in French is E. So A, B, C, D, E, F, J, H, E, and then G. So J is G. This is what I explained you earlier. So A, B, C, D, E, F, J, H, E, G, K, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. Yes, the R is R, but S stays the same. S, T is T, U is U, V is V, W is W, X is X, and Y is Y. Can you repeat after me? Y. And Z is Z. Now let's start again slowly. A, B is B, C is C, for D it's D. A, B, C, D, E, F, E, F, J. Yes, J. H, E, G. So G is for J, right? G, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. So R in French is R. Remember, R. Q, Q is just stress a little bit on the U. So Q, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are the French alphabets, and how you pronounce the word alphabet in French is alphabet. Now let's do some pronunciation of the words using these alphabets. So the list is, so the first word for the alphabet A is yun abai, and for B is bato, right? Bato means boat, fine. Then C, cock, D, dauphin, E, escargot, F, fur, J is garage. J is garage, fine. The sound is G, garage. And then Ash, ibu. How do you pronounce? Ibu. Then igloo. For I, it's igloo. The alphabet separately is E, and you pronounce it as igloo. Then jardin, garden. Kangaroo, lion, mouton, nuage, un otarie, une pomme, quat, un cat, right? Une rose, une souris, une tasse, une usine, une voiture, un wagon, un xylophone, un yaourt, a zebra. So these are a few words which you can know. You can look at the pictures and this is done, right? I don't need to explain you because pictures are self-explanatory. You have to just look at the pronunciation of the French words and you know the meaning is there. Fine. So this is how the French alphabets are. So remember, this is you must practice French alphabets in French. So see you for the next video. A bientôt. Au revoir.